this is good. So my name is Axel, and today I'm going to show you how this Jelly Belly machine works. It is really good. So I took one apart myself and opened it up to eat all the jelly beans. So look at this. See how when you turn this, it turns the gear inside there? And then Jelly Belly falls through this hole. And see, look. Hello. So, look. See these on here? So these, like when this spins, it spins this, which carries a jelly bean down there, and that pops out here. But when you don't put the quarter in, it just does this. But when you put in the whole quarter, then it makes a full rotation, which makes the jelly bean somehow go down here. That's all we found about the jelly bean machine. So we might learn about it some more. But I can't tell you all these things in one video.